Now that we've brainstormed our objects from school, our objects from around the house, our objects from the kitchen, it's time to really have fun with this project. We are going to use our imagination to use what we've been practicing about pen and ink, our technical stuff, to really do something fun, something that's going to catch people's eyes, something that's going to be like, boy, that's crazy. So we have to think about how we can do that. How can we twist a pencil or bend a pencil? What would happen if we peeled a pencil like we peel a banana? What would happen if the pencil was soft and we twisted it like it was made of wire? And one of the ways that we can do that is by using paper. So if I'm thinking about a piece of paper, sometimes I can use that to help me imagine what I could do with a knife. A knife is a solid object, but what would the knife look like if I bent it? What would the knife look like if I twisted it more like a rope? What would the knife look like if I folded it like a piece of paper? So this is kind of a visual prop. So how does the line go? And that helps me imagine what the knife might look like if I folded it like this. Now there are many ways to fold a piece of paper. Maybe I would fold it like an M or like an S, like a curly Q. But sometimes using a prop helps me imagine what I can do with it. How about a rubber band? A rubber band is a common object that stretches. Chewing gum stretches. Now, I can't draw a rubber band stretching because that's what it does. But stretching the rubber band helps me think about what might a pizza cutter look like if I stretched it. What would a pizza cutter look like if I bent it, if it was bent like a piece of paper? So this is where we can use our imagination to do that. Let's take our example of a candle. Okay, a candle melts. Ice melts. So I cannot do what is expected, but I could take the candle and imagine what happens if I drop a glass object, a mirror, a drinking glass on the floor, and it shatters. So what might the candle look like if it shatters? If I have the pizza cutter, what would it look like if the pizza cutter melted in this way similar to a candle melts? And so for next time, what I want you to do is not have a finished drawing like this. Our first assignment is to take your 3 or 4 best ideas and to make a sketch showing what you would do or what you maybe could do for a finished drawing with those objects. And that's what I want you to do for our next class period, okay? And then we'll go from there to the next step.